Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Let's talk about hip thrusters because I need to do more of them and I'm not, because it's still a hassle to get into. Now when I was looking on the Instagrams of Fitness Seller, a popular fitness seller here in Belgium and Netherlands, they showed this product here, which is a great product if you ask me. Just something that pivots with you as you do your hip thrusters. Looks like a very cool thing, but it's 150 euros for something that only has like one real purpose. So for me, it's a big no-no. But looking at that product, that got me thinking about something that we do have that looks a lot like it, and that is my trusty Swiss bar. Boom, here it is. So the great thing about the Swiss bar is that it has a flat surface and it's also somewhat pivotable. I got three options to test to get more of a sliding action, because this plastic here, although very good to protect the barbell, is giving too much friction here for this application. Now, I got three things here. The first thing I wanted to test out was a PVC pipe cut in two, put it here. In theory, a great idea in my opinion. The only problem is, as you turn, you're literally just turning the PVC pipe out, which is such a no-no. The second idea that I had was these pipes here, the old protection of my Rogue barbells that I'm finally getting rid of. Now I cut these ones and then I realized they can't slide on here. Now the best thing that I found so far, and let me know in the comments down below if you find something easier, is just a piece of cloth like so. Boom, put that in there. And obviously you have to do it on both sides. And now this can freely spin without damaging the surface of my barbell, which is a very good thing. Now, we have the fact that I have to put my back onto it, and if we put some weight on, that can get very uncomfortable. Now the first initial part was to use this thing here. I can slide this on, but it's not stable enough, right? And it's too top heavy, so it can slide off. So that's why I made this real quick. It's basically just a plank with 2 feet on that slides perfectly onto this thing here. Because there is something on top and the bottom, this won't move, only like this, but that's not a big deal. So now that we have this, let's test it out and see how well it fares. Now, if you're squatting with a pussy pad, you're obviously in an advantage, because then you just leave this piece onto the bar. But obviously none of my viewers are squatting with a pussy pad, so you're out of luck, really. So we have this pussy pad, and then, because I didn't warm up, we put this 5 kilo wheels on there. Boom. Take this one, boom, put it on the ground, boom, like so. This is how it goes. You put your back onto this thing here, boom, legs flat, roll the bar, go up, then push so that this thing can pivot, and we're good to go. Boom. Just like so. And to be honest, this surface is a little bit slippery, but I don't feel any problems with this. And it really feels super comfortable to have the platform where your back is situated on to be able to turn with you. So guys, this is really going to be my go-to setup if I'm going to do hip thrusters from now on. And I will do them more, I promise. I know this is a lot of materials, but I think most people have a Swiss bar or looking for a Swiss bar. Really recommend getting one. You already have a barbell, you already have a pussy pad if you want to do hip thrusters, because laying the bar into your hip crease is just a nightmare. And then a plank, some screws, some wood, some cloth, you're good to go, guys. You're good to go. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this setup. Do you think it's something worth trying, or do you think it's just some bullcrap? Let me know in the comments down below. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!